Hello guys, what's up? So, for today's video, gagawa ko ng tutorial kung paano gamitin ang Turbo VPN. My primary objectives for this tutorial is to use a VPN for playing playlists in your YouTube channel so that you will have audiences coming from other country. Others says that if you have audiences from other country, you will gain much higher revenue. Alright. So, but our main objectives for this is to increase your internet speed using VPN. Alright. So, let's go. So, what you need to do is to go Play Store and install Turbo VPN. So now, as you can see that I am connected to Singapore server. I am using Singapore server 23 minutes ago. So what is the benefit of using Turbo VPN? Turbo VPN is a free access, no need account, secured, less hassle, VPN. One tap connect VPN. Alright. So Turbo VPN has many servers all across the country, or all across the world. So my favorite server is Singapore. Alright. And here's the proof that in this channel Singapore has 10.5% from my channel views from Singapore. So that's one secret on how to gain viewers from Singapore. Alright. So let's try to play YouTube videos. We will be playing HD movies, no buff, no loading.
Subscribe.
Alright, yes. As you can see, no buff, no loading. And autoplay with 720p. Alright, let's try another one. I hope you enjoy watching videos from my channel. So, the main purpose of using VPN is to mask your IP address. This is called IP masking, and this allows you to prohibit your internet service provider to look above you or monitor what you are doing through internet. Okay? So for my upcoming tutorials, I will be using NordVPN, Thunder VPN, Solo VPN, and other VPN that you can use. Those VPN are the fastest VPN, free. But somehow, you need to create accounts online for you to access other VPN servers. So that would be the end of my discussion for today. God bless and good luck for your VPN activities. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos. Thank you.